Hey babies, ready for part 3 of my Amazon bedding unboxing? Remember that gel memory foam mattress topper and the silk comforter for the guest bed? Well, let's see if we like it. Join me. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, if you like this video or any of my videos, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're a new subscriber. I appreciate you for watching. Okay, baby, so have you ever had a piece of furniture that needed to be replaced, but you weren't quite ready to get rid of it? Well, that's how I feel about this bed. I wanted to bring it back to life and provide some character to it. So I used this metallic cowhide rug. And what I did is have my dad come over and hold up the mattress while I placed the rug under the mattress and just kind of let it hang over the footboard and sideboard of the bed. I mean, who says that you can only use a rug on the floor? We're thinking outside the box. Next, I needed to clean up these old chrome poles. I didn't have any chrome cleaner, so the next best thing is using vinegar. You're gonna get an inexpensive bottle of vinegar, some paper towels. Just damp the paper towels with the vinegar and then just go over your chrome until it's nice and shiny. It's gonna get all those fingerprints off of there, all of the smudge marks, and have it looking as good as new, or as good as it would have looked if you had the chrome cleaner. Next, it's time to unwrap the mattress topper. I'm excited to see if this one is just as good as the one that they're advertising on TikTok. So this mattress topper is from Amazon. It says that it is gel and memory foam. It is 3 inches. And of course, I am an Amazon affiliate marketer. And as an Amazon affiliate marketer, I do earn on qualifying purchases. So if you like the mattress topper, the silk comforter, or the metallic cowhide rug, the paid links will be listed in the description box. As you can see, it is over 3 inches. The impression of my hand or fingers doesn't hold super long, but it does give a nice slow bounce back. Now it's time to finish it up and make this bed. And before I forget, I remember that I had told you all that I bought an extra fitted silk sheet. I used that fitted silk sheet on the box spring. So if you do not have a bed skirt, remember that you can always replace that bed skirt with a fitted sheet. Now's the time to take a good look at the Satin Comforter. This Satin Comforter, I think that it came in an ivory. Great for the summertime, lightweight, but still feels really nice. I said that I usually like to steam, press, or iron my bedding, but for time's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and put the pillows on and show you the finished product. few books. Now this book here, Sentiments of a Southern Lady, I actually know the author. She is a beautifully spirited woman. It is a poetry book, and I will have the link for her book in the description box as well. Hey, join me next video where I unbox my birthday dress from Amikana and take you along for dinner with my family. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.